What I'm going to do in this video is show you how to use an Excel file that I put out there that's about the snowball approach. The snowball approach is a way that you can get out of debt. How can you pay off all of your stuff and get rid of all of the debts that you have? Really kind of cut down on the amount of time that you're having to pay on all of the things that you owe. This is something that Dave Ramsey and various other people use as far as here's how you can kind of get yourself out of debt. Now, if you look at the Excel file that I have here, let's say that you owe a grand total of $12,500. So you have a $2,000 that you owe on a credit card that has 18% and it has a $40 minimum payment. You have another credit card where you owe $500 with 24% interest rate and $40 minimum payment. And let's say that you have a car note of about $10,000. It's about 10%, and the minimum payment on that is $200 a month. Okay. What you do is you focus in on if you can free up a little bit more money. So you can see right now that you're paying about $280. If you can free up a little bit more money, say $350 a month to start paying on all these debts, you go ahead and you start with the lowest amount and get that sucker out of the way. So let's say that you have this $280 and you free up, about another $70 a month that you can pay towards your debts. All right. So let's say that you free up that $70 and you're going to pay it here. You go ahead and keep doing the minimum payments for the others. But let's say that at this point it goes to $110. Okay. You can see that you have reduced how long it takes you to pay this off from a year to just a few months. So once you get that sucker paid off, then what you do is you take the money that you were paying here and apply it to the next balance. So that would be here. So you take that 110, add that to the 40, you're going to pay $150. So starting this month, you're paying $150. Now you can see that in this one, it will take you, by paying $40 a month, the minimum for just $2,000 balance, it'll take you about, 7, 8 years to pay it off. If you can then start applying that 110 that you were paying there, and you got rid of that, to the 40, pay $150 for starting this month, you see that you have then reduced how long you're paying on that to another year. So then what you do is you take the money that you had for here and for here, so that's 150, add that to the 200 here. Now on your car loan, you'll see that paying $200 a month on that $10,000 debt, and you'll pay it off, in about 5 years. All right. Well, at this point here, where you got finished paying off that other one, you start applying the entire $350 to that. And you can see that you have reduced the amount of time that you're paying on that, about another year and a half, just another year and a half. So if you want to get yourself out of debt, you have to use that snowball approach to get rid of stuff. Free up a little bit of money somehow, some way. Apply that to the lowest amount that you owe, get that out of the way, then take the money you were applying there, put it into here, get rid of this guy, and then get rid of the other guy. So that's how you use the snowball approach. Now I've attached the Excel file to Canvas so that you can go in and you can play with it. If you have questions, let me know. Give me a shout.